Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today is an extremely warm day, therefore you might hear my fan going off in the background, so I do apologise if you do. I hope it doesn't take away too much from the video. This coin hunt is actually a world coin hunt that's been designated world coin hunt number 21. It's one that's been held back for a while. For varying reasons. This was actually a set of coins that I got along with some other items in a house clearance, and I didn't know exactly how I wanted to present them, but I decided to show them off as a house clearance lot, so you can get an idea that if you buy house clearances with coins from eBay, this is the sort of thing that you might well get. So this first coin is a 20 drachma coin from Greece from 1978. On this obverse we have a bust of Pericles. On the reverse we have the Pantheon. This coin is from 1978. And there were two places that it was minted. One had a B mint mark and the other one had no mint mark at all. The one for no mint, I cannot see a mint mark on this one, but I'm going to give you both figures just in case. The one with no mint mark had a mintage of 65,353,000. If it contains the B mint mark, it has a mintage of 17,562,000. So there's a hell of a lot of difference depending on whether it has a mint mark or not. The second coin is a large coin from the Netherlands. It's a 2.5 gulden from 1972. On this side you have the portrait of Juliana, Queen Juliana, and the name of the country. On the reverse we have the crowned shield of the Netherlands, or coat of arms of the Netherlands, in a shield, the year and the country name, and the value. The mintage for this 1972 2.5 gulden coin is 20 million. This next one is an old favourite of world coin hunts that I've done over the years. It's an Italian coin from 1976. It is a 50 lira. And on the reverse we have the guy at an anvil. Now it's unsure if it's Vulcan or whether it is one of the other gods. I think it's Vulcan. And it's got the year, the value, and the guy at the anvil that I believe is Vulcan. The mintage for this coin is 180,600,000. Now if you thought that vintage was big, here we go. United States quarter. It's from 1965. It has the year and the bust of Washington. Now, mostly, if it's another mint, or if it is one of the mints like Denver or San Francisco or one of those, they will have a mint mark here on this corner. This one doesn't, so it's from the Philadelphia Mint. And the Philadelphia Mint had a mintage for this particular coin from 1965 of 1,819,717,540. 1,819,717,540. Told you it was a hell of a mintage. There we go. we have one from France. So 20 centimes, and it's from 19... It is from 1982. I do have a second one as well that I'm looking for now. Give me 1 second. That's supposed to be from 1950. Yeah. But it wasn't actually a 20 centimes, it was a 20 francs coin. So the 20 franc coin is this one here, and this one was one from 1950. This 20 centimes just has the value and the oak leaves on the back. This 20 franc coin has the cockerel. Now the Italian, the 20 centimes has a mintage of 150,002,511. Because I misunderstood what this coin was, I do not have a mintage for it. If I can find one out, I'll put it in the as a pop-up. This one's a Diddy coin, and it's the smallest coin of this hunt, and it's from the Netherlands, and it's a 10 cent from 1957. On this side we have the country name and Juliana is the queen. On this side we have a crowned value of 10 cents, and we also have the year, which is 1957. This 1957 coin has a mintage of 18,600,000. This next coin is an aluminium coin from Italy. Now, I'm undecided on this one whether it is actually a coin or whether it is a token. It represents the human rights from 1945 to 1973. It is an FAO coin from Rome, and it has Ceres' head on the front there. On the reverse we have 3 figures. You can see the 3 figures there, and they representing the family and human rights. It is a FAO coin, which is the Food and Agricultural Organisation. Now this organisation is a United Nations organisation, and it looks after famine in the world and also how to grow stuff to avoid famine, and also how to help with the food. This coin is a 10 franc coin from 1950, and it shows Marianne. It's a French coin. It has the cockerel and the value of 10 francs on the reverse. There are 2 mintages for this particular year. One is for an unknown mint, and the mintage for that is 13,534,000. There is also one with a B mint mark, and that has a mintage of 4,807,500. I can't see a mint mark on this coin, so I'm treating it as if it is the higher mintage. This last one is a coin from Luxembourg. On this side you have the crown value, a wreath, and the year being 1972. On the reverse we have Jean Grand Duke plus the country's name. So this is Grand Duke Jean from 1972. It has a mintage, as I say, of 3 million coins. That last one is probably the best coin that I picked up in this particular buy from a house clearance. There were a couple of other things that came with it, but the coins were the ones that I was obviously had the most interest in. From when I looked at it, when I was doing the looking at purchasing it, there wasn't a lot in there, and I think I got it for ridiculous things like something like £2 plus £1 postage, so it's a very cheap lot. However, that's the end of this particular hunt. So if you've enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything, and if you haven't already done so, would you think about subscribing to the channel? I am looking to expand my subscription to 250 by the end of this year. Midway through June, I'm on around about 180, early 180s subscribers, so I've got a fair way to go, but with your help I'll get there. So if you can help me out, I'll be very grateful. Neither of that or actually give me the thumbs up will cost you anything. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, thank you for watching. Remember, there are at least a minimum 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you like. And until we meet up again, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.